Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create wedding invitations on Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to Canva. Once you're on the homepage, click the Create a Design button located in the top left corner. This will open up a search menu where you can find all kinds of design templates. In the search bar that appears, type wedding invitation and hit enter. Canva will then display a variety of wedding invitation design options specifically tailored for this purpose. Go ahead and click on the wedding invitation design option from the search results to proceed. Now you'll see a wide selection of beautiful templates displayed on the left side of your screen. Take a moment to scroll through these options and browse different styles, colors, and layouts. When you find a template that matches your wedding theme and personal taste, simply click on it to preview it more closely. Once you've chosen your template, click the Customize this template button. This will open the template in Canva's editor, where you can make all the necessary changes to personalize your invitation. Next, click on the couple's names text box within the template. You'll notice the text becomes editable, allowing you to replace the placeholder names with your own. For example, you might type Claire and Hector, or whatever names you'd like to feature on your invitation. This personalizes the design and makes it uniquely yours. Now continue editing the other important details throughout the invitation. Click on each text box to update information like the wedding date, ceremony time, venue address, and any other relevant details. Make sure everything is accurate and matches your actual wedding plans, as these invitations will inform your guests about when and where to celebrate with you. After you've personalized all the text and details, it's time to save your creation. Click the Share button located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with several sharing and downloading options. From the Share menu, click on Download to proceed with saving your invitation. Canva will then present you with different file format options depending on how you plan to use your invitation. Select PDF Print if you're planning to send your invitation to a professional printer or print it yourself at home. This format ensures the highest quality for physical copies. Alternatively, select PNG if you want to share your invitation digitally through email or social media. PNG files work great for digital distribution and online sharing. Finally, click the Download button to save your wedding invitation to your computer. Canva will process your file and download it within a few seconds, and then you'll have your beautifully designed invitation ready to share with friends and family. And that's it. You've successfully created a personalized wedding invitation using Canva's easy-to-use design tools. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.